Alright, what's up guys? We're back with another Maverick video. We got a new product. So we have the catch can kits. So a lot of people have been wanting to add catch can kits to their car. I know ones that are made are pretty expensive, so we try to make a budget friendly catch can kit. 'Cause I know for my car the ones go for like 300 bucks, and that's just not in the budget.
That's
so
unacceptable.
Yeah, so we're trying to make everything it needs in the kit. You got the catch can, you got the hose clamps, the hose, what's it called, separator, the two hoses, the bracket, and the two OEM fittings. Everything you need to get a catch can. We're not going to go over the pros and cons, if you should get one or not, but if you do your own research and you want to get one, here's how you install this kit. So we're going to head over, show you what to do.
Not a fucking random scrubs vid if you're not running back to the garage. There he goes.
We got the tools.
That's all you need.
As you can see, this is probably going to cost you like 6,000 bucks. Harbor Freight. So here's what you need. You see this hose right here? This bad boy? This connector? And this connector got to come off. Ideally your engine wouldn't be as hot as mine is right now, but I'll let you deal with that as you will. Get that bad boy off. Then these are probably going to break. Oh. Alright, there it goes. As you can see, it's broken.
Go figure.
Go figure. I think there's like a, I don't know.
2%
I think they're designed, yeah, if you don't break it, you're lucky. Then we gotta get this bad boy. There it goes. Because I think you're supposed to push in here too, or something. But don't worry about it. It's gonna break. Oh,
Oh, whoa, whoa.
oh, whoa. Got it. Try to keep track of the pieces you bust off this. Alright. Yeah, it's broken. So,
It's broken.
this hose, we don't need this anymore. I'm gonna keep it just in case I ever want to go back to this. So you might be able to sell this, you never know. So now we got the ports hanging wide open. So what you're going to do is get some hoses on these bad boys. Got your two hoses. They're cut the same length, so you can cut it to any length you want, wherever you end up mounting it. I'll show you where we mount ours. I should have put the clamp on first. So the clamp's on, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Oh. Stand up, my knees hurt. And do that again on the other hose. So now we have both hoses line up with the connectors. We're gonna come in here. The hoses are a little bendy. They've been coiled for their whole lives, I'm sure. They'll straighten out once they get hot in the engine and everything like that. So grab this, and it's going right back where the old one was. And it clicked on. See that? Probably be able to see this one a little better.
Trying to, you fat hand in a way.
Clicks. Just like that. Okay, now we're in. Just make sure you can't pop it off or nothing. Then we got our hoses. Looks pretty goofy, but
Sure does.
we got the mount plate and the catch can.
You got a press from doing that?
So we're gonna recklessly set everything right here
Obviously.
because
That's just where it goes when you're working on something.
that's where it goes. And we're going to get this They go like these. It goes through these. Through these. Now we gotta get this nut on.
Somehow got it. Right, I was gonna say, you did that pretty quick. Alright, now torque them down. Or what? What's the torque spec?
Torque spec is pretty tight.
Y'all saw that? That was the torque spec.
Torque spec, click. You heard that?
Yeah.
That's torqued. It's pretty loose. I'm gonna leave it loose. No, I'm not. Torque spec increase. I checked the book. Alright. Now this, we're gonna mount right here. Because this is a decent spot. And we're gonna use this bolt. Of course, you're wondering, I bet he has a socket. I gotta go get it.
Oh my god.
What size do you think it is? 10?
Man, what size is this? Man, that joint's a 10 if I've ever seen it. It's a 10?
It's a 10.
It's a 10.
10. So let me show you what I'm about to do here.
Show them what you're about to do.
This has a washer on, right? You can't take it off. Alright. So we're gonna go in between. Can you see this? The nut plate and the thing. We're gonna go in between. We're just gonna shove him in.
So your fat hands are always in the way.
Alright, so once it's tightened down, it's on here. This short one is gonna go to the in. Long one's gonna go to the out. So I'm gonna go grab the cutters.
You gotta put a run to the garage counter in the joint.
And we want to give it some slack because you never know what goes on in here. Motor mounts get to scooting sometimes. So I'll give it some slack.
That's some slack.
Alright, if that's tight, cut it like right here.
Yeah, that should be good, man.
Alright. You can sell this. Alright, he's on there. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to have it up top, huh? That would make more sense. Man, how much slack did I give myself? Too much.
That's straight.
It look alright?
It looks good.
Does this clamp look fine right there?
Mm-hmm.
About right there. Now we got the clamp on. We're going to go ahead and, you guessed it, tighten it. If that's tight, we're going to cut like right here. Alright. Right here.
Sure.
You can always cut more off. You can't add it back. You can sell this. Alright. Now we might have a little too much slack on this, but that's okay. We can always cut. That's good.
Yeah, I'd say that's straight.
Go over all the clamps again. Somehow that one was loose. And that one's not getting tight. Alright. So now all the clamps are on. Everything's mounted up. One more thing we gotta do. Alright, so I moved this down. I don't know why I had it all the way at the top, sticking out. That was never gonna work. But there's a bunch of spots on this bracket. So no matter where you're gonna choose to mount this, it'll work. But I just had it too high, so I moved it down. Pulled a little oopsie. So we're gonna put this bag on. Alright, now we're good. We're gonna come put this right here. I think that looks good. What you think?
Yeah, it's probably about right.
You think that's the best spot for it?
I think so.
So we're gonna tighten this up. And there's your finished kit. So now you have this set up, ready to go. The sticker, you can put, it's gonna come with a sticker, this RT sticker. You don't have to put on if you don't want to. We just gotta rub the gang. So I'm gonna go get the keys, start it up, show you that there's no engine lights. good. Just like that. We got no warning lights. Everything's hooked up the way it's supposed to be. Now what you gotta do is what you always gotta do at the end. Yeah, if you like these light bars, refinedtruck.com, baby. So there it is in all its glory. You can mount it anywhere that you want. Kit comes with everything you need except a screwdriver and an Allen key. So just like that, we're done. So if you're interested in the kit, you wanted to add one to your car, but you're not trying to spend $300 for a kit, we'll have this, trying to be budget friendly for people that don't got all that money like us. This is what I wish was out when I'm trying to work on my own car, so that's what we're trying to do for y'all. Appreciate all the subscribers, all the orders on refinedtruck.com. We're almost at 800 subs. At 800 subscribers, we're going to be giving away one of these kits. So if you want to get your kit, make sure you subscribe and comment below. What should they comment? Comment Refined Truck below if you want to win the kit. Subscribe. Giveaway coming at 800 subscribers. We're pretty close, so if you want to win, make sure you get entered. And we're going to catch you someday in the next vid.